Hello, good morning world. I'm late to brekkie because no one set alarms and I woke up late and I still wanted a shower because having all this insect repellent all over your skin 24 hours a day is horrible and my skin already has psoriasis, so not fun. But I'm just going to breakfast now and then we're going to be on the boat all day. Whoa. Sorry, that was a giant thing flying towards me. Yeah, we're going to be on the boat all day trying to search for sloths, and we're going to cook on the boat and we're going to go for piranha fishing, so that's going to be exciting.
They're coming to me, the more of them.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz, because we're in the Amazon.
That was awful.
It was great. I'm just gonna paddle us.
Just helping us along.
I'm just searching for some wild sloths. You definitely won't be able to see it, but there is a sloth up there in the tree and it's moving down. I'll see if I can get a picture of it and then I'll show you on the camera. Guy cutting a tree down.
Oh, that one falls over too.
Woo! Muy bien! That was very cool. They cut it down because it's really good wood for building houses. So he's obviously building a new house or an extension of his own house.
He just cuts it down like it's like nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that big nest.
I didn't manage to get a picture of that sloth earlier, by the way, because it went into another tree. It was too fast for me, even though sloths are like the slowest animals in the world. Hola! So lads, we found a caiman lizard. Apparently they're kind of dangerous.
What's up?
Watch it.
What's up? What here?
Oh, Amy! Amy! No!
What's up, Amy? They can
Amy?
bite the stone, eh?
They die. She's like the lizard woman right now. Do it again, do it again, do it again.
What's up?
Watch it.
What's up?
It's gonna bite you.
So this dude apparently has a anaconda that he trapped a few days ago. So he's bringing it out. Oh dude, stop it.
No. So this guy caught an anaconda a couple of days ago. Oh, he's just trying to...
Jeez Louise.
Oh my god.
Look at that bad boy. Oh Christ. So the dude just brought out a bloody python? What the hell?
So what?
Look at it.
Is this his animal? No.
It's animal.
No, is this like his pet? No.
No, it's not. But they are trapped. They use the net.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Oh, that one's moving.
Chickens are having a nightmare.
Fucking hell, Hannah.
Look at this.
That one's just moving.
Yeah, they do that.
Damn. Dude, all these people just have random pets. Look at this. It's a caiman.
Yes.
Oh my god. What? We finally found the giant lily pads. They're pretty big. Hannah, what do you rate giant lily pads? Oh, they're in the photo shoot.
There we go.
One more. You.
Very cool.
So we're making some sugar cane here. It's very... Oh, look at that. Oh.
Hey, puppy.
How was that?
Oh, it was friggin' hard, eh?
Yeah.
You gonna try some?
No. No.
We are currently in someone's house waiting for our lunch to be cooked, and there's lots of animals. This pig is here, so I'm gonna go say hi. Here, piggy, piggy. I don't think it's very friendly though. But we just had some bananas. They obviously have banana trees here somewhere. And they were so sweet, like nothing like you would taste in the shop. It tasted so much better than a shop bought banana. Like the best banana I've ever tasted. And banana's one of those things. Banana's like one of those things which I don't really like, but I eat because they're easy things to eat and they, you know, give you energy. But yeah, so we're just waiting for some food. It's pretty friggin' hot. And then after this, we're gonna go piranha fishing, eh?
Why are you scared of chicken?
Because it's Hannah. Cooking us dinner.
What?
Cooking dinner.
Cooking.
Fish.
Yeah.
Natural bananas. Jungle lunch is served. We've got fish and rice and salad and banana. Fish is really good to be fair. I don't eat fish. Very cool. Too much start.
Or you can fish from there, wherever you want.
Well lads, we're about to go piranha fishing.
Watch out.
Where shall I set
Come in this side.
you up?
Look, you can fish and hold your legs over there. She can
Okay.
sit here. Or sit there.
Okay, one moment.
Myself fish food.
Well, I'm crap at this. I did get one, but it fell off my hook straight away. And
None of us caught them.
fishing is just, I don't know, it's just annoying as F. Yeah, these guys are piranha fishing. See if they catch one.
Sorry.
Don't think we're going to catch it on camera, that's for sure.
Oh, let's give it a go.
Go on, this is the one.
Okay. Oh, I've got it.
Nibbles. Just nibble them. Go.
Oh! No. It's alright, we'll just put it straight back in and we'll smack him.
And we'll what?
Smack him. Go.
Oh my god, that one was so big! Dang it. Okay.
Renee caught a piranha. Is it dead now?
No, it's alive.
Is it? Oh, Jesus. She's done it in the last second to spare.
Mate,
She's caught
it's
one.
a biggie too. Like, I'd like to think it's big.
How proud are you?
Oh, well, we're about to leave and I got you. Oh, right in the eyeball too.
I know, I saw that.